It's a 2016 Chevrolet Cruze Limited. Sporty on the outside, stylish on the inside, and spacious on the trunk side. What more do you need? It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, air conditioning, auto-dimming rearview mirror, smartphone wireless charging, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, power sliding sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com calls the Cruze Limited a competent member of the economy sedan class with decent fuel efficiency, sharp if aging styling, and a solid roster of features for the money. Chevy, 100 years of icons. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.